very late April BoxyCharm unboxing. Yas. Hi guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are doing a really late BoxyCharm unboxing. So it is the 7th of May right now, and I just got my BoxyCharm. So unfortunately, because of all of the stuff that's going on in the world, shipping has been really slow, like snail pace slow. It has been incredibly hard to get online orders shipped out and getting to me, and everything having to be overly sanitized, and just a lot of health requirements that have had to come into play because everybody wants to stay protected, and that's perfectly fine. So there has been a lot of delays in shipments, and honestly that's fine. You guys probably already know what is in this box this month. I still have no idea because I've avoided watching BoxyCharm unboxings, but I hope you guys are still interested and wanting to see my point of view and whether or not I'm going to like this box or not. So without further ado, let's jump into April's BoxyCharm unboxing in May. So when I opened the box, this is what the box looks like this month. So the little card is on top with all of what we got, and it has all of the prices on it. So actually, does it? Maybe it doesn't. This is a coupon code, I think. I'm confused. It does not tell me what I got. Okay, so this is a coupon code for Bye Bye Makeup Wipes by Forever, and it's only valid until today. So that's kind of disappointing because I'm not going to use it because I literally just got it today. So I don't actually have the card in here that tells me what my month of box stuff is and how much things are. So that is really annoying. I hate when they do this. This is the second box now in a row that I have no idea how much the prices are. So I'm gonna check my email right now and see if I just for some reason got it emailed to me or not, but I have no idea, so let's just see. So I just had to sign into BoxyCharm's website to find the items and get the totals from there. That's really frustrating. This is the second time now that this has happened. The first time though, they did send it over email and tell me what all of my product description was. They basically just sent the exact card over email, whereas this time I've gotten nothing. This box is incredibly late, and I'm really disappointed with BoxyCharm so far this month. I know the shipping wasn't exactly their problem. It wasn't their fault, but I'm still really annoyed. I had to contact them like 6 or 7 times to figure out what was going on with the boxes and to figure out shipping, because the shipping wasn't updating, the tracking wasn't updating. It was really frustrating for even on their end. It was really frustrating. So anyway, the first thing that I see in the box this month is the Professional. This is a hydrating face primer. I've used this primer before and I already know I don't like it. So I'm going to put this to the side because I don't like this primer and I do not need it. So this is the Professional Hydrate Primer. Actually, have I used this one before? Yeah, I've used the Professional Primer before. And this looks like the exact same thing, just a different package of it. And this is a silicone-based primer, and I don't really like it. I find that it just doesn't work. I didn't find that I noticed a difference in my pores when using this primer, and it was just kind of a waste of money in my opinion because I bought it from Sephora, or I got it for my birthday, one of the two. So this retails for $32, and I think that's an incredible waste of money. I do not think it is worth the total. So I'm going to put this aside and give this away to a friend just because they may have better results with it than I did, but I remember using this back in the day and not liking it. So we're gonna put that to the side. The next thing that I see in here is the Elemis Superfood Sia, oh my god, I cannot speak tonight. The Superfood Sia Calm Cleansing Foam. So this is a calming micellar cleanser, and this retails for $32. So this is a superfood facial cleanser. And I'm curious what it smells like. So it's a foam. Smells like mint. Minty? It's minty? It's like, it kind of smells like a little bit like a green tea. It kind of smells like green tea and mint together. I don't know if I'm way off on that scent, but it smells interesting. So I'm gonna wipe it off right now. It smells really nice. I don't know how this is going to react with my skin. So definitely test this out in the future on my channel. If you guys are interested in me doing a review on this product, let me know. This product retails for $32. So that is honestly not that expensive considering you get 180 milliliters, so that is 6 fluid ounces. That is a lot of cleanser for $32. So I'm definitely going to try this out, and I really like the brand Elemis. I've used this brand before, and I really liked the product that I used it with. I think it was a hydrating facial cream that I used that was Elemis, and I really liked it. So I'm gonna put that to the side, and we can move on to the next items. So I'm missing items in my box this month. So there should be, so I'm not too sure if I'm missing an item or not, or if there was just only 4 items in the box this month, but usually there is 5 full-size items, so I'm not too sure. So I got the Professional Primer, the Elemis Cleansing Facial Cleanser. And now the next item that I received is the Iconic Illuminator. So this retails for $41. So this is a really pretty highlighter. It is a kind of bronze, or I don't know, almost like a gold color. So I'm just gonna take a drop of it onto my skin. So it's kind of like a gold color, and when I swatch it out, you can see that it is really pretty. It's like a kind of coppery gold color on my hand. It looks really, really pretty. I think it'll look really nice with my skin tone just as a highlighter, just to dab it, but I really don't go for liquid highlighters very much. But this looks like it would be a really nice body highlighter. So I think I have a shade similar to this already with the Jeffree Star highlighter. So I'm not too sure if I will actually get too much use out of this, just because I really don't use liquid highlighters, but I might have to try it out in the future. It looks really pretty on my hand right now, but I don't really gravitate for that kind of highlighter. So that retails for $41. And the last item, which is really odd, I think I'm missing an item. I've contacted them right now, just asking them what's going on and if I was only supposed to get 4 items, just because out of all of the BoxyCharm boxes I've gotten, I've always gotten 5 items. So I don't really know what's happening. So this is the Iconic London Plumping Lip Gloss. So I don't really go for lip gloss, but I'm really interested in the plumping aspect of this. So this says this is the shade Peekaboo, I believe. And it is a plumping lip gloss, and it retails for $26, which is very expensive in my opinion for a lip gloss. So I'm gonna see if it smells like anything. So it smells like mint. So I'm really interested to try this out. I will try this out in the future on my channel. I usually don't go for lip gloss, but because it has a plumping aspect to it, I definitely will give it a go. And that is everything that is in my box this month. So I'm just making sure that I didn't miss anything followed on the floor. I'm really disappointed this month. I'm pretty sure I'm missing an item. This box was incredibly late, and I'm really not that excited or thrilled about any of the items that I got. I think the only item that I'm really that interested in is the Elemis Superfood Facial Cleanser, and this is actually something that I picked myself. When you got your choice for the 1 to 2 items, you gotta choose yourself. I chose this, and I'm incredibly disappointed. I was pretty sure that I was supposed to get a brush set with this box, or a sponge, or what are some of the other options? There is a brush set, there's palettes. Wait, see April. There is the primer, the facial cleanser, the Superfood Hydration Juice, the Hank & Henry Medora Sponge Duo, Dose of Colors Lip Satin Lipstick, the Iconic Illuminator, lashes, and the makeup eraser. There's also the plumping lip gloss that I got, and a set of brushes, which are rainbow, and a sponge. And I only got 4 of the items. And all of the boxes that I've seen that they're advertising all have 5 items in it. So I'm really interested to know what item I was supposed to get and what is missing because I don't have the card to tell. So I'm really disappointed this month. Honestly, I'm on the verge of canceling BoxyCharm because I have just not been very pleased with how things have been going lately. Their boxes have been really crappy, and this box is probably the worst box I've gotten so far. So I'm pretty disappointed. I'm sorry, this is kind of more of a negative side to my videos. Usually I'm really excited for BoxyCharm, but this month was really disappointing. So kind of a crappy month. Sorry about the negativity, but thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will let you guys know in a future video if BoxyCharm ever does get back to me and if I am missing an item. Hopefully they'll let me know. I'm really curious why I didn't get a card this month telling me all of my product descriptions, or at least an email telling me my product description, because that's what happened last time. So I'm really interested, but thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video. Okay guys, I'm back from a couple days later. I've recently contacted BoxyCharm to figure out what was going on with this month's box, April's box, figuring out where my missing item was, why the card with the descriptions on it, with all the pricings on it, was missing, and why the coupon code that they put in the box was expired, and they didn't really have a whole lot to say. They basically told me, here's the list of products that you should have got and which one was missing, and it is actually a item they're sending me is a 3-piece face mask that is not listed as a BoxyCharm item for April. The only thing that I found on their Instagram, like scrolling way down on this product, was that some BoxyCharm base box members may be receiving these masks, but it's not listed as an official item on the BoxyCharm website, so it makes me feel like this wasn't actually supposed to be the item I was supposed to get. So I'm really freaking pissed off. I'm really annoyed that they're sending me a fucking set of face masks that I don't fucking want and I don't need in a box when my box came completely, it was inappropriate. Like, I'm missing my card that had all of the description and all the pricings on it, and I'm missing an item. April's box was literally the biggest disappointment. I am so close to canceling BoxyCharm just because I am very disappointed. I really didn't like basically anything in this box this month. This box was absolutely terrible, and them reaching out to me and telling me that they're going to send me a certain product, that's great. But I asked them, I returned the email and I asked them and I said, why are you guys sending me a product that is not listed on the BoxyCharm website as an item? Like, shouldn't I be getting an item that is supposed to be in April's box? And they didn't have anything to say. They just said, well, that's the item that you were supposed to get. And I'm like, no, that doesn't make sense, because when you scroll through BoxyCharm's website, that's not an item listed in April's box. So why are you guys sending me an item that is not supposed to be in the box? I'm so confused. And they didn't answer. They literally just didn't answer for 2 days. So I sent them another email and I was like, hey, I haven't heard anything back. Am I getting the face mask or am I getting the appropriate item? Like, what's going on? And they just responded back with, we're sending you the face masks. And I was like, okay, but like, that's not listed as an item on BoxyCharm at all. So I'm really confused. So I'm really disappointed. The coupon code I can't even use because it's expired already, and honestly, this box was terrible. So if this is your first BoxyCharm unboxing, you're probably going to be disappointed because I think this box was shit. This was absolutely terrible. I'm not interested in lip gloss. I don't really like liquid highlighters. I think the fact that they gave a face wash is awesome, but I hate the primer. So this box literally has one item in it that I'm excited for because I don't want the face masks. So, I mean, they're sending it to me anyway because I paid for this box, but at the end of the day, I have 7,000 face masks already sitting in my drawer. I don't need another set. The face masks might be amazing, but I don't really agree, or I don't really think that they're gonna be priced out what they say. So they're probably gonna say that these face masks are worth like $30. No, they're probably gonna be worth like $3 each, maybe. Because I buy face masks all the time and they're really not that expensive. So I'm really disappointed. I will obviously leave you guys, or I'll obviously keep you guys updated if the face masks do turn out to be awesome, but at the moment they don't sound appealing. This box is really, really terrible. I did not like it, and I'm sorry it's so late. So I'm gonna be posting this halfway through the month of frickin' May because BoxyCharm didn't have their shit together this month, and shipping was shipping because of COVID, so whatever. But I'm really disappointed with BoxyCharm. I'm very close to canceling. May has already been charged and May has already shipped, so we will see. If May's box is crap, then I probably will cancel. So that's where I'm at with BoxyCharm right now. I'm very disappointed. Their boxes have been going downhill for quite some time now, and I'm just not that thrilled. I'm really excited for my FabFitFun box in June though. So stay tuned for that. I'm sorry this video was a little bit more negative, but I'm really pissed off. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this. And I forgot to total up the total of this box. So let's do that really quickly because I'm curious to know if this is the lowest amount box that I've ever gotten, considering I think I'm missing an item. So the total of this month's box with the 4 items that I got is $131. So that's not that bad of a price point, but I am very just disappointed with the products that I got this month. They're not that great. They're not really products that I would have gravitated to myself. Definitely don't really like lip glosses. I definitely don't like this primer, and I don't usually go for liquid highlighters. So this is kind of a crappy box this month. I'm really not that thrilled with it. I'm really contemplating canceling. Not only is the American dollar versus the Canadian dollar so incredibly high right now with conversion rate and everything that's going on in the world, that I'm really just not that thrilled to be paying like $40 for a box that really hasn't been doing that well, in my opinion. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm sorry that it was kind of more on the negative side, but that kind of happens with subscription boxes. We're not always gonna like the subscription box we get. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I will see you guys at the next video. Bye!